Welcome to Tekmetric. We're so excited to have you and are looking forward to making this transition to your new shop management system as smooth as possible. What's the next step from here? You're going to be meeting with your customer onboarding manager here in the next few days after your purchase of Tekmetric. In that meeting, you'll jump into a Zoom call with the link shared from your onboarding manager. Please make sure that you have Zoom downloaded on your computer if at all possible prior to this call. You'll then be able to help your onboarding manager learn a bit more about your shop to help tailor the onboarding experience to fit your needs. If you're having a data migration, we'll be able to perform this on your first call. Please have access to or log on from your server computer in order for us to complete your data migration on the call. While your data is processing, we'll get your settings configured and walk through setting up your integrations. If you have vendor credentials through Parts Tech, please have those ready so we can get them in and allow you to start ordering parts immediately. Once your data is in, we're going to help you walk through creating your first repair order with your own information. Getting to see your data and insights in action will help you see how easy it is to use Tekmetric. Starting now, you're able to get into our free online learning courses to help you get up and going. These courses are tailored to help you quickly learn how to leverage the basics of Tekmetric, all in less than 30 minutes. There are courses designed specifically for shop admins, service advisors, and technicians, so get your whole team in. To ensure your kickoff call goes smoothly, remember, 1. Make sure Zoom is downloaded. 2. Be at your server computer. 3. Have any vendor credentials ready to go. And 4. Be ready to learn. We're looking forward to meeting you at your kickoff call to help you level up with Tekmetric.